Welcome to Budget Boss. Imagine waking up tomorrow and realizing you earned money while you were sleeping, without a boss, without a degree, and without any investment. This feels like a dream, but thousands of beginners in the United States are doing this right now. Today, I will take you through the story of someone who changed their life by building simple passive income streams that work even when they do not. This story begins with a person who is tired, overworked, and frustrated with rising expenses. Every month feels the same. Bills go up, stress goes up, but salary stays the same. One night, while scrolling on their phone, they find a video from Budget Boss and hear something that changes everything. Passive income is not about working more. It is about building systems that work for you. Something inside them wakes up. They decide that today is the day they start something new. They begin with the simplest ideas, sharing products they already use. They learn about affiliate marketing. They join Amazon Associates and a few other affiliate platforms. They create small videos reviewing products they like. A phone holder, a kitchen gadget, a beauty tool, anything useful. They post it online and sleep. The next morning, they see their first commission. It is small, but it feels huge. For the first time, money comes in without active work. This moment becomes the spark that starts their passive income journey. With new confidence, they explore print on demand. They upload simple designs on t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, and notebooks. They use platforms like Redbubble and Printify. They do not print, they do not pack, they do not ship. The platforms handle everything. Their designs start getting purchased slowly, then consistently. Every order feels like a reward. They realize that creativity can become money even while they are out with friends or relaxing at home. After this, their curiosity grows. They hear about YouTube automation, making videos without showing a face. They learn to use stock clips, AI voiceovers, and simple editing tools. They make videos about motivation, business, and facts. At first, the views are low, but they continue. One day, a video goes viral. When they check YouTube Studio, they see revenue growing automatically. Someone watched their video in another country while they were sleeping, and they got paid for it. This feels unreal, but it is real. One evening, they think about all the knowledge they are gaining. They decide to convert that knowledge into digital products. They create a simple budget planner, an investment starter guide, and a few printable templates. They upload everything to Etsy and Gumroad. Weeks pass. Sales begin coming in from people they have never met. The work is done once, but the money keeps coming repeatedly. They realize digital products are one of the highest profit passive income sources in the online world. At this point, they are excited but also curious about long-term wealth. They learn about index funds. They open an account on Vanguard and start investing small amounts. They do not trade daily, they invest monthly. Slowly, dividends begin to appear. They learn that their money is working quietly, growing silently, becoming stronger without them doing anything. For the first time, they feel financially secure. Their confidence is now high, so they explore digital real estate. They start an Instagram theme page about pets, motivation, and lifestyle. They grow it slowly to a few thousand followers. Suddenly, small businesses begin sending messages asking for promotions. They earn monthly income just for posting. They also buy a few domain names related to trending topics. Later, they sell some for a profit. They realize online assets are the new form of real estate, and anyone can own them. Now, with experience and knowledge, they decide to create an online course. They share what they learned about affiliate marketing, YouTube automation, and digital products. They upload the course to platforms like Udemy and Skillshare. Students begin enrolling daily. Their course becomes a long-term passive income engine, earning money every month without extra effort. Their story inspires others who were once in the same place. But the journey does not stop here. They experiment with selling stock photos and videos. With just their phone, they capture simple lifestyle shots, coffee, laptops, city streets, pets, work from home setups. They upload them to Shutterstock and Adobe Stock. Months later, these photos start bringing money from different countries. Each download is a reminder that simple actions can create long, lasting income. They even explore audiobook narration, renting items on local apps, and offering templates to other creators. Every new idea adds a new stream of income. Some streams are small, some are bigger, but together they create a stable river of money flowing in every month. Their life slowly transforms, stress reduces, hope increases, freedom becomes real. And this entire story started with one small decision, the decision to try. So, if you are here on Budget Boss, listening to this story, remember this: passive income is not magic and it does not require perfection. It only requires action. You do not need money. You do not need skills. You only need the courage to start.